So here I am in the Roland Park neighborhood of Baltimore, Maryland on Cold Spring Lane, well, more fondly known as Eddie Dobkin Way. That's because back in the 90s, Eddie had like 5 rockin' restaurants in this area. And the one he's most widely known for is a funky big breakfast joint known as Miss Shirley's Cafe.
Your shrimp and grits.
Yeah. This place is unlike any other.
Shirley's affair with Oscar.
It's always a treat.
People will stand in line for literally an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours. It's something that is worth the wait.
It's something Eddie would have been proud to see.
My father, he's really smiling down.
That's because since he passed in 2013, his son David and daughter-in-law Brandy have carried on what he started.
They put an enormous amount of pride and love into their food. It becomes infectious.
Your coconut cream stuffed French toast.
Yeah. This is definitely a dish I spoil myself with.
It's 2 large pieces of challah
stuffed with this amazing cream.
Which is the creation of Chef Bridget Bledsoe, who's been heading up this kitchen since they opened in 2005.
Chicken waffle!
Eddie knew she was big on talent.
Each bite, you get the texture of the coconut, the sweetness with the crunch.
I have no problem giving it a wow-wee. And,
Did she just drop a wow-wee?
Wow-wee. It's amazing.
Apparently, that's something you might have heard when Eddie was around.
One of his favorite expressions was wow-wee.
So this guy was the life of the party.
This is a wow-wee, yeah.
Eddie was a big part of Baltimore, and his legacy still lives on here.
It's your crab cake po' boy.
The jumbo lump crab meat with this Tabasco bacon onion jam.
A lot of people in Baltimore take pride in their crab cakes, but they're gonna have to measure themselves by Miss Shirley's.
So now we're gonna finally make the crab cake?
Yes. Boiled mayo, eggs, Worcestershire, Old Bay, yellow mustard, kosher salt. Mix this together.
Okay, what's going on now?
All right, we're gonna 2 pounds of crab meat.
Whoa.
Roasted red peppers, parsley, crab cake mix.
Okay.
This is cracker meal.
So this is just enough effort to combine it.
Yes, that's what I call a crab cake.
I am in awe. Now show me what the size of a crab cake is around here.
2 ounce. 3 of them will go on the sandwich.
Okay.
Now we have our bacon jam. Plenty of that on there.
Okay.
Old Bay remoulade.
I'll get this for you.
Old Bay remoulade.
Old Bay.
Yeah, bib lettuce, red and yellow tomatoes.
Okay.
And then we have our mini crab cakes.
Okay.
We're gonna garnish with parsley and Old Bay.
This is outrageous. So give it up, Freddie, and a little wow-wee.